got this in the mail and it's gonna be awesome. It is. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. So this is for my project. It's so cute. You're so cute. So I guess I'm gonna bring it to school. This is free. Oh, nice. So I gotta read the manual. So since I'm going to studio now, I'm gonna bring my little bonsai. I'm gonna bring my little bonsai tree with me to the studio. And that's gonna be its new home. Let's go. It's so cute. We are here officially at the Bartlett. This your new home now. Yay! Hi everyone, so I'm back in studio, and as I unpack, finally we're back at school. Technically this is the second week back, but last week was technically supposed to be a field trip, and field trip was cancelled, so nothing much happened. And I just thought more stuff will probably happen this week, so here's a vlog for you guys, and I hope you enjoy this. And I'm just really happy to get back into my daily routine, even though in the beginning I was like, oh no, school's starting, you know, I don't want to go back. But it's nice to get back into the routine, going to gym and then just getting things ready, meal prepping and all that good stuff. And yeah, so now we're back in studio and let's get some work done. So this year we also have a new module called Design Technology, which is accompanying the building project. And today we're going to have our first lecture, which the module is essentially talking about the more like technical side of the building project. So it's less designy, it's more, we have to produce a report by the end of the year. So yeah, that's it. First day of the week complete, and now I'm going home. So now I'm heading to my history personal tutorial with my essay, and hopefully it'll go well. So I just finished my tutorial. I thought it was quite helpful, like she gave me some pointers on the structure of the essay, so that was nice. And now I'm gonna do design work again. Who would have guessed? So I'm on my way home right now. I'm heading home, leaving the Bartlett, and I just feel like I don't really enjoy the first few weeks of like a project, because it's like those times when you have to figure out the nitty-gritties of projects and you have to research a lot of things, and you can't just focus on like one big task, and you have to like piece everything together. So things are quite messy. I'm trying to like piece a lot of ideas together, and sometimes it can be confusing and I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm just gonna tell myself this is just the process of every project when it starts. So yeah, that's today, and it was nice talking to my friends. So yeah. So I'm just typing up my tech abstract for the module Tech Design, and this abstract's just kind of talking about what kind of themes and topics you're going to investigate for your building project this term and next term, and I'm just giving it a shot and writing what I think would make sense. So right now I'm doing this drawing over trace paper because I'm actually not feeling the best today despite all the video footage you've seen of me being alright. But actually while I'm doing this drawing over trace paper, I'm actually feeling quite terrible and I just wanted to get some drawing down instead of not doing anything. I'm leaving the Bartlett now around, it's almost 6. I'm gonna do some grocery shopping and head home and take a break. Today's not a very good day. I feel very unhappy and kind of shitty because I don't know, my brain tells me all these bad things about me and my project, so I just gotta pull through, you know, and hopefully I'll feel better tomorrow. So if you remember, I started writing my tech abstract on Wednesday because on Thursday, which is today, I have a tech tutorial, which is the first tech tutorial we have for this academic year. So as you can see on the screen, I'm just sharing my work portfolio with my tech tutor, and we're just going through some topics that we could explore in my tech dissertation. So it's been quite helpful talking to him about it, and I'm just taking notes along the way as I talk to him. I'm just crying in the toilet. So obviously today is actually pretty shit. But I went to actually get some groceries for this weekend to prepare for my birthday gathering. But yeah, it was alright because I ended up talking to my mom and some friends from school, and they were really supportive and nice about things. So, you know, it was fine. And I really appreciate all the love and support I get. Good morning, everyone. It is Friday tutorial day. I spent the morning in this morning, so I'm just gonna go in when it's my tutorial time. I don't feel particularly the best, but I do feel just a bit better from last night. But you know, I just hope that things go well, and today will be nice because I am having a dinner with some people that I actually met over on Instagram to a vegan restaurant. So hopefully it will all go well, and I hope today's tutorials go well and I'll just feel a bit better overall. So I just had my tutorial. And I feel a lot better because Dan and Iffy were super nice to me about like all the kind of stress that built up from the previous 2 days that I had. So it was really nice to like release all of those things and like for them to kind of reassure me that I'm still in a good position and my work is going well. And I just really appreciate it that my friends are so supportive, and even my tutors, that I can like openly talk about my feelings and how I'm feeling about these things to them. So yeah, I feel a lot better, and I feel like maybe tomorrow the party's gonna go nice. So yeah. Then I spent the rest of my afternoon just working on my history dissertation and working on the structure and formatting after the personal tutorial on Tuesday, and get it ready for submission for this weekend. Hello, this is Fiona, and then we have Dee. Hi. And we're trying the kimchi, and it's 4 different colors, and it's so cool.
I love Glory's channel.
Thank you, Dee. So I just finished dinner and I'm walking near Shoreditch High Street. London is so cold, it's -1 degrees. But I just met these loveliest people ever. Dee and Fiona, if you're watching this. It was so nice to talk to you guys and just really meet like-minded people who care about like healthy living, veganism and nutrition. So I'm just so happy. Yeah, and dinner was just really nice. We had a really nice chat, and now I'm gonna head home and prepare for my birthday thing tomorrow. So see you. Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday, and today is the day that I'm doing my birthday party. I sound so weird to say that, but yeah, I'm kind of did my makeup and, you know, all dolled up and ready to go. So my friends are all coming, and I'm gonna do grocery shopping in the morning, and then I'm gonna get ready at my friend's place, so that's the plan. This is me, and yeah, I'm excited to go ahead with the day. So I just want to say thank you to Nicole for the lovely card. It's so cute. Thank you so much. And just before I go ahead with my day, I just wanted to do a little bit of a mental health check-in. So essentially, like the last 2 days, I've been feeling really bad. It's because of a combination of work-related things. Like I feel like my project's not going anywhere, which happens a lot at the beginning of the project when everything is like really scattered and I feel like I'm not producing enough work, and some personal stuff going on. So all these things combined just kind of made me explode on Thursday, and I was just really glad that on Friday I was able to talk to my tutors about it, and they were really understanding about the work, and talk to my friends who were really supportive and let me know that I have a good worth. So I just really appreciate all the love and support I've been getting. And although I was really scared to bring that negative energy onto my birthday today, this Saturday, the party, but I'm sure it'll go fine.
Made a cheese spread.
This is all the food I brought.
Yen Shan, thanks for getting candles. Oh my god, so pretty. I'll show you guys.
This is my cake. Look, it's so pretty. It's like vegan blueberry cheesecake cake. So pretty. So after that, I just started preparing the food while my friends started trickling in, and I was so happy that a lot of my secondary school friends or friends who are not located in London came all the way to come visit me, and I was just very, very happy to talk to them and for them to come visit me.
This other city by police car to get onto another flight. It'll be gone before the
Like, put it as far away as possible from me.
This was just a small group of friends before the rest of the group came. I was so happy that everybody liked my vegan snacks, and I also prepared this sun-dried tomato cashew cream cheese spread to dip the crackers in, and I'm so happy that everybody liked it, and it just made me very happy.
For example, if you land on
Action, oh, so then you have to do the orange.
all the action.
Oh, wow.
I just keep going.
At this point, everybody arrived, so we played Mafia with everyone and also Cards Against Humanity afterwards, and I was just really happy to be soaked up in this nice atmosphere, and yeah, I was just very, very happy, and it was so much fun.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Glory. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, it went off? I don't know, man. Oh, Glory, you're one.
Yeah.
Yes, she.
Thank you, Yen Shan. Thank you for coming, everyone. Thank you. I love you. Thank you. On the lights.
Glory with a knife.
Okay, enough. Oh my god, it's so dense.
It's a bit too sweet for me, I think. The cake was alright, but then the middle part's slightly too sweet. Yeah, for me.
Good job! Pizza! 1, 2, 3. I can't see any of the one at the back. Yay!
Normal?
Yeah. It's Korean.
Never. They're not arrived at 11.
Yeah. But wait, 11 is too late. Why?
No, PM.
These chickpeas, 21 cans of chickpeas. I had a really good time on Saturday for my party, but I slept really late that night, obviously. But we still managed to get up early, and because all of us this is still during school time, so we all had to get some work done, and I brought my friends to the student center just to do some work. So for the rest of the day, I just worked in the student center with my friends, and in the evening, I just cooked this nice dish for Julie and I and had a nice day. Looking back, this week was definitely such a crazy emotional week. I went from being alright to crying and then having a very nice weekend. It's just been crazy, but the one thing I learned is just being okay with the process of work and just trusting the process, and also being really grateful for all of my support system being there for me. And yeah, this week has just been really nice and eye-opening, and that was my week.